Hey guys, I'm about to take you out to a install today. We got a big crane coming. It's gonna be good times. Also raining, so that's why I'm a little layered up today. But I'm super jacked about this wood beam. And I know, we don't do wood, it's a metal shop. But this is going with something we do. And I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing with it yet. You have to come back and check it out. But this beam is freaking massive. You gotta look at this. It is huge. Look at my face. This is a 12-inch by 20-inch wood beam. We had it custom milled at a local mill. And that is gonna go together with a bunch of steel, and we'll follow the whole process for you so you get to see what we do with it. But for now, we're gonna go out and check on the crane. Hey, I was hoping to beat the crane here, but I missed it. Check that out. That is so high off the ground. Got boys setting up over there. I love a good crane pick. Going pretty good, but I had to show you guys how ridiculous this semi-truck crane. Big old boom truck. I don't know if you can even really tell, but it is high off the ground. Holy crap. Super cool. See the guys in the background through the trees. See the forest through the trees. Thank you for watching, and I just want to say a big thank you to my guys. They killed it today. Everybody did a killer job. Big shout out to Image Crane, not sponsored, but they do a great job every time. So if you're in Washington State in the Pacific Northwest and you need some crane stuff, call Image Crane. Good people. Yeah, it went great. So we're trying to do more recording and trying to do a lot more fun stuff. We're gonna do a lot of giveaways. We're gonna get a little nutty with doing a couple different things. So please like and subscribe and share us. We wanna get the page to blow up and hopefully start doing some really fun stuff that doesn't pertain to welding and fabrication. Also, I'll put a link below in the description for our new clothing website. So if you like our hats or our logos, we'll have t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts to start with, and more. So go on, help us out, help us grow. Thank you.